Formal nang umupo bilang bagong pinuno ng Joint Task Force Central at 6th Infantry Division si Major General Jose Vladimir Cagara. Pinalitan nito si Lieutenant General Donald Gumiran na ngayon ay ang umuupong commander ng Western Mindanao Command. Nangako si Major General Cagara na ipagpapatuloy ang mga nasimulan ng mga nagdaang pinuno ng 6th ID at Joint Task Force Central. Ang news now mula kay Mark Uy.
Si Major General Jose Vladimir Cagara ang bagong talagang commander ng 6th Infantry Campilan Division at Joint Task Force Central. Formal na umupo sa pwesto ang general ngayong araw sa command ceremony sa Camp Shonko Awang Datuudin Sinswat, Maguindanao del Norte.
It has been my honor and privilege to serve in the final and women of the Campilan Division. From the moment I took command on January 2025, I walked alongside you, both in the field and in the core orders of the different officers. I saw your sacrifices, your resilience, and your unwavering commitment to our mission. We did not just stand guard, we acted. We significantly degraded the communities of the different threat groups. We actively supported the PNP, the PDEA, and other law enforcement agencies to address criminalities. We partnered with local and national government agencies, NGOs, CSOs, NGOs, and other stakeholders in settling community-based guidance, delivery of basic services to the communities, and implementation of developmental projects. We performed election duty and made history. The May 2025 national and local elections was the first elections that not a single political entity was declared failure of elections.
Pinalitan ni Major General Cagara si Lieutenant General Donald Gumiran na kasalukuyang commander naman ng Western Mindanao Command ng Philippine Army.
And today, another set of opportunities is forthcoming as I assume command of the 6th Infantry Campilan Division. First is the opportunity of taking charge of Infantry Division, a major unit of the Philippine Army, a challenging yet fulfilling responsibility, especially that 6th Infantry Division is widely recognized for its rich history and accomplishments, particularly in fighting terrorism and maintaining peace in its area of responsibility. Known for its successful military campaigns and battles in the past, coupled with an array of great leaders and commanders, leading this prestigious unit is not an easy task. It takes someone to be equipped with essential competencies and skills. And with that, I would like to honor the God Almighty, thanking Him for the opportunity to lead the 6th Infantry Division and imploring His divine guidance as I carry out my duties. Let me also express my gratitude to all those responsible for my designation as commander of the 6th Infantry Division for their trust and confidence in my capabilities.
Pinangasiwaan ni Philippine Army Commanding General Antonio Navarrete ang change of command ceremony.
Today we gather here to witness one of the Army's most cherished traditions, the change of command ceremony. This ceremony symbolizes continuity, resilience, and enduring commitment to serve the Filipino people and nation. As we bid farewell and express our gratitude to a distinguished leader, we also welcome, with full confidence and pride, his successor, who is bound to keep the momentum of this proud military unit. Donald, Major General Gumiran, as your full of high command, your tenure, though so short, as it has been, is marked with intense focus, strategic transition and significant accomplishment for Campilan Division. You have accelerated operational gains, introduced integrated training systems, and implemented some of the Army's best practices. Under your decisive leadership, the division successfully transitioned from the Joint Task Force Central Campaign Plan Naghiusa to the Strategic Campaign Plan Tatag Ignang Mindanao. This strategy not only sustained the gains of internal security operations, but also strengthened our focus on external defense, laying the groundwork for the Philippine Army's move toward comprehensive and pelagic defense operations in line with the direction not just of the Philippine Army, but the AFP as well.
Mark Uy, iMinds Philippines.